Hello, people. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, my name is Humberto Pina, and this is a video for series video tutorials for people who want to do want to have a better score in TOEFL tests. This type of tutorials can be used independently, if you're studying on your own, or if you are taking a preparation course, it can help you just in case you miss some classes. So right now, we're working with structure and written expression, and we're going to move on to skill number 34. Wow, 34. Okay, so we're working with problems with verbs. Okay, we saw in the previous skill that we cannot combine the present and the past unless it's a logical sentence. And skill 34, so we use have and have correctly. Sorry. Two tenses that are often confused are the present perfect, have plus the past participle, and the past perfect, have plus the past participle. These two tenses have completely different uses, and you should understand how to differentiate. The present perfect, have plus the past participle, refers to a period of time from the past until the present. Right? Sue has lived in Los Angeles for 10 years. This sentence means that Sue has lived in Los Angeles for the 10 years up to now. According to this sentence, Sue is still living in Los Angeles. Because of the present perfect refers to the period of time from the past until the present, it is not correct in a sentence that indicates past only. Like, at the start of the 19th century, Thomas Jefferson has become president of the United States. In the first example, the phrase at the start of the 19th century indicates that the action of the verb was in the past only, but the verb indicates the period of time from the past until the present. Since this is not logical, the sentence is not correct. The verb in the first example should be became. At the start of the 19th century, Thomas Jefferson became president of the United States. Number two, every time Jim worked on his car, he has improved it. The second example indicates that Jim worked on his car in the past, but he improved it in the period from the past until the present. This idea also is not logical. The verb in the second example should be in the simple past, improved. Every time Jim worked on his car, he improved. Okay, that's present perfect. The past perfect, had plus past participle, refers to a period of time that started in the past and ended in the past before something else happened in the past as well. Sue had lived in Los Angeles for 10 years when she moved to San Diego. This sentence means that Sue lived in Los Angeles for 10 years in the past before she moved to San Diego, also in the past. So she no longer lives in Los Angeles. Because the past perfect begins in the past and ends in the past, it is generally not correct in the same sentence with the present tense. Tom had finished the exam when the teacher collects the papers. This sentence indicates that Tom finished the exam in the past. And that action ended when the teacher collects the paper in the present. This is not logical. So the sentence is not correct. Tom finished the exam in the past, and the action to finish the exam ended when the teacher collected the papers. Therefore, the second verb in this example should be in the past tense, collect. Tom had finished the exam when the teacher collected the papers, right? So the first action in the past is he had finished the exam, and the second action in the past should be the teacher collected the papers. Okay, here we got a chart which outlines the uses of the present perfect and the past perfect using have plus past participle or had plus past participle. Example, present perfect, we form it with have and the past participle. Second and third person is has. It means that something is started in the past and continues to the present, past up to now, and we never use it in the past tense. If we say we have something like at the time, yesterday, 2 days ago, or whatever, then it's not. The past perfect, we form it with had in the past participle. It's the same auxiliary, had, all the subjects, different from present perfect, which have has. The meaning is before, in the past, up to a key moment or reference moment in the past. And is not meant to be used with the present tense. Okay, so let's move on to the exercise now. Here we have exercise 34. Each of the following sentences contains had or have. Underline the verse twice and decide if the meanings are logical. Then indicate the sentences are correct or incorrect. Look at the examples. Number one, I have always liked the designs that are on the cover, right? This is fine. You know, I like them in the past and I like them in the present, so it's good. Number two, because her proposal had been rejected, she is depressed. Okay, so this is the past perfect, and this is the present, and they don't mix and match. So it should be because her proposal has been rejected, she is depressed, right? Okay, so now it's time for you to pause the video, complete the exercise, and then come back and we're going to check answers and check what you have done. Pause the video now, and I'll cue when you come back. Okay, now that you're back, let's see what you did. Students have registered for classes before the semester started. Okay, so it should be the students had registered for classes before the semester started, everything in the past. When she had purchased the car, she contacted the insurance agent. So this is correct. First, she purchased the car, and then she contacted the insurance agent. She said that he had finished the typing when you finish the report. Okay, this is past perfect, and this is present, and they don't mix and match. So this is incorrect. He said that he had finished the typing when you had finished the reports. Okay, so super. She has enjoyed herself every time that she has gone to the zoo. Okay, so present perfect, present perfect. This is fine. He drove to the post office after he had finished preparing the package. This is correct. First action. She finished preparing the package. Second action, she drove to the post office. After the votes were counted, it had been determined that Steve was the winner. So it should be after the votes had been counted. It had been determined that Steve was the winner. And last night is still in the past, all the waiters and waitresses have worked overtime. Again, this is in the past, so it should be last night all the waiters and waiters worked overtime. Okay, number 10, he had fastened his seatbelt before the airplane took off. So yeah, this is fine. All right, so look at that. Look at what you did. Look at what you did. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you. Okay. All right, so if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel so we can get bigger links. And if you know anyone can benefit from this type of videos, share with them so they can benefit. This is a free tutorial online, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.